Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. If you think preparing pickle is a tedious job, no, not anymore. Because we have a triple bonanza from Culinary Hub. Using one masala, we can prepare not one, not two, but three lip-smacking pickles. For the details about the ingredients, please refer the description section and kindly subscribe to our channel. For the tamarind and garlic pickle, I have kept the ingredients ready. First, I will clean and wash coriander leaves, curry leaves and mint leaves. I have chopped the raw mango for the mango pickle and the lemon I have washed and pat dried for the lemon pickle. First, I'll begin by adding salt to the chopped mango pieces. This I will soak for 2 to 3 days, but if you want to prepare the pickle instantly, you can go ahead and prepare, but you can use it after 2 to 3 days. I will chop the lemon, de-seed it and cut it into tiny bits. Then I'll be adding salt to it and allow it to get soaked for 3 to 4 days. By soaking the lemon in salt, you can overcome the bitterness. Then I will start preparing the masalas. First I will dry roast fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds, mustard seeds and peppercorns and also the red chillies. Then I'll start coarsely grinding all these ingredients. Then in a bowl, I'll mix up. First, I will add the coarsely ground cumin seed powder, fenugreek seed powder, mustard seed powder, crushed peppercorns, to this I'll be adding turmeric, red chilli powder, then I'll add a little amount of Asafoetida powder and a tiny bit of salt. Mix all these dry ingredients and this powder can be stored in an airtight container for 3 to 4 months. It stays fresh. Then for the first pickle, that is the tamarind pickle, I'll chop the greens, that is coriander leaves, mint leaves and curry leaves, and also few red chilies which I have toasted. Then I'll wash and soak the tamarind in hot water and crush the garlic into a coarse paste. Then in a pan, I'll add around a teaspoon of oil. Add the chopped curry leaves, coriander leaves, and Then I will add the mint leaves and fry till all the moisture is lost from the greens. Then I'll cool it to room temperature. Then the process of preparing the pickle begins by adding a good amount of oil, heating it, adding fenugreek seeds, allowing it to crackle. Then I'll add mustard seeds, cumin seeds. Once all this crackles thoroughly, I'll add the crushed garlic to it. And I will fry till the garlic is light brown in color. I'll add little amount of chopped red chilies, and in goes fresh curry leaves. For sure, by now the neighbors will know that pickle is getting prepared. And to this, I'll add our prepared pickle masala powder. Depending upon the amount of spiciness, you can change the quantity. Once all the masalas are fried thoroughly, I will cool it to room temperature. First, I am preparing the tamarind pickle. I have extracted the pulp from tamarind. No need to cook or strain the tamarind. Directly add the pulp to a clean, dry jar. Then you can add in some crushed jaggery to it. Then in goes the fried greens. Then I'll add the prepared pickle masala paste. Then I'll mix all the ingredients thoroughly, and this pickle can be stored in the fridge for up to 3 months. Now let us prepare the lemon pickle. I have soaked the lemon pieces for 3 days, but for preparing the pickle today, I am using the lemon pieces that I have soaked for around 15 days. With this, I'll be adding the prepared masala paste. Since the lemon pieces has been soaked for a very long time, it would have lost all the bitterness. This pickle can be stored for up to 6 months. It stays good. Now let us prepare the mango pickle. I have soaked the mango pieces for 3 days and drained all the water. To these pieces, I'll be adding the prepared masala paste. Mix it, and if needed, you can add few fresh green chilies. This is totally optional. Even this pickle stays fresh for more than 6 months. Here are 3 tangy and tasty pickles using one single masala powder. I hope you will try this recipe, which we have made it very simple for you. Please click the like button for this recipe, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we post new videos. Thank you.